Guys, do you remember when we used to buy rice 100 naira, beans 30 naira, spaghetti 30 naira, one egg, one meat and 20 naira plantain? Or more, this country don't go. The only thing you will never find in Buka version is carrots and the rice. That's strictly for restaurants, but to be honest, I miss those good old days. The cravings eat me so hard I had no choice but to make it myself. So come along, let's cook this legendary combo together. Yes, I know rice is easy. Anybody can boil rice and the rest, but the secret that takes every white rice to the next level is in the sauce. Stay with me. Let me show you what you can do differently that will change your sauce game for life. Every pepper in this mix has a purpose. Your bawa is as important as your tatashe, and don't forget to be generous with your onions. And you know it is not Ata Dindin if it is not rough blended. If it is smooth blend, that one has two, I beg. Don't forget to always cook your sauce with the same oil you use to fry your meat or fish. That's where all the hidden flavor lives. It might sound like common knowledge, but trust me, skipping this step is like throwing away half the taste of your sauce. No, don't boil meat and fish for your Ata Dindin, please. Let's respect ourselves. That one is for stew and soup. Ata Dindin without fried meat is like party jollof rice without smoked flavor. Fry that protein, let it swim inside the pepper mix, and enjoy your iron to timota. Now that one, the bust brain. Take your time here. Let your sauté onions turn a light brown in the vegetable oil before you add the pepper mix. I used to rush this process, but trust me, the difference in taste is huge. Just don't let it burn. No, all you need is that pale golden brown color before the pepper mix goes in. Now let me save you from heartbreak. If you had seasoning too early, your sauce will burn faster than NEPA light. Even low heat no go save you. So let your pepper mix cook for about 25 minutes first before bringing in your seasoning, spices and herbs. After that, add your fried meat and other proteins. Give it a good stir. And for my secret ingredient, which is scent leaves, trust me, a few pieces of scent leaves in your Ata Dindin takes the flavor into another level. Add some of it and your Ata Dindin will taste like heaven. If you're still here with me, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like my video and comment where you are watching from. Thank you for watching. Now is the right time to bring in your plate. Let's have this legendary combo together. By the way, do you also add carrot to your white rice? I love to add mine when the rice is done. Then cover the pot immediately to allow the steam soften the carrot. And in about 5 minutes, everything is done. It is simple, healthy, and so good. Look at this food now. Look at it. It's so delicious. And look at the soup too. It is so nice. And before I go and start eating my food, quickly shout out to one of my day one subscriber at Kemisola Mayaki. Thank you for always showing love in the comments. I see you. And to everyone else, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for keeping this kitchen alive. See you in my next video. Bye.